Hey there, garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring the Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium, a vibrant, compact variety of the classic nasturtium. Known for its bright colors and edible flowers, the Dwarf Jewel variety is perfect for containers, borders, and adding a pop of color to any garden. Did you know that nasturtiums are edible? The Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium's vibrant flowers and leaves aren't just beautiful, they're tasty too. The peppery flavor of the leaves and flowers can add a spicy kick to salads, wraps, or even as garnish. Plus, they're packed with vitamin C and other nutrients. The nasturtium plant has a long history dating back to the 15th century when it was first cultivated in South America. It became popular in Europe in the early 1600s, where it quickly gained attention for its ornamental beauty and medicinal uses. The Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium is more of a recent variety that was developed for gardeners looking for a compact, colorful option that fits well in smaller spaces like containers, window boxes, and raised beds. It retains all the classic nasturtium traits with vibrant jewel-tone flowers and an easygoing nature. The Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium is a smaller, more compact version of the traditional nasturtium. The plant typically grows 8 to 12 inches tall with a spread of about 12 to 14 inches, making it an ideal choice for small gardens and containers. Its round, dark green leaves create a beautiful backdrop for the bright flowers, which blooms in shades of red, orange, yellow, and pink. These flowers have a distinct trumpet-like shape and peppery scent. The entire plant is edible, with the leaves having a mild peppery taste and the flowers providing even more of a distinct bite. Growing the Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium is incredibly easy. It prefers full sun, but can also tolerate partial shade. Grows best in well-draining soil, though it can tolerate poor soil due to its low-maintenance nature. Needs moderate watering. Water deeply when the topsoil feels dry, but avoid overwatering to prevent root rot. It thrives in warm climates with temperatures between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for spring and summer planting. It generally doesn't require heavy fertilization. A light application of balanced fertilizer can help it grow strong, but it will grow just fine in soil with low fertility. The Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium makes a wonderful companion plant, especially in vegetable gardens. It attracts beneficial insects and acts as a natural pest repellent, particularly for aphids and whiteflies. It grows well with tomatoes, cucumbers, beans, radishes, and marigolds. Avoid planting nasturtiums near carrots or brassicas like broccoli or cabbage, as these crops might be more susceptible to aphids, which nasturtiums attract. One special trait of the Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium is its ability to thrive in poor soil. Many plants require rich, fertile soil to grow well. Nasturtiums actually do better in lean soil and less fertilizer. This makes them a fantastic choice for gardeners looking for low-maintenance plants. Another unique behavior is that nasturtiums are self-sowing. If you let some flowers go to seed, they will naturally drop their seeds and sprout again the following season, making them easy to grow year after year with minimum effort. Nasturtiums are edible plants, and the Dwarf Jewel variety is no exception. Both the flowers and leaves are commonly used in culinary dishes, offering peppery, mustard-like flavors. Here are a few ideas which you can enjoy in the kitchen: salads. You can make an herb butter. You can use them in wraps. You can even pickle nasturtium seeds, similar to capers. And that's all you need to know about the Dwarf Jewel Nasturtium, whether you're growing them for their beautiful edible flowers, their ability to attract beneficial insects, or simply as a low-maintenance addition to your garden. They're a fantastic choice for any gardener. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on more plant profiles. Thanks for tuning in, and happy gardening.